Alright guys, I'm going to randomize the numbers for tomorrow's Packers-Bills game, 5:03 p.m. Type live. We are live. 5:03 p.m. 5:03 p.m. I grabbed this list. I have it copied already. We're dropping it into random. Alright, we're going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher, just like a Raz. And we have a 6. That's good. We're going to go 6 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 times. Dice is a 6. Next click, we have our numbers in order. And 6. Here's our numbers, guys. Straight down. Halftime and final pays out. We are done. 5:04 p.m. We will type done. We are done. 5:04 p.m. 5:04 p.m. Verification timestamp.